Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to review the latest software update in the Realme X7 Max device. Is it worth to update to the latest version or not? Because this is a question which I'm getting from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a review on this particular topic. So recently the Realme X7 Max did receive the update which is 8.19 update. Right now you can clearly see 8.19, and few of the users, they were in the previous versions 8.18 or maybe 8.17, but they want to know what's the feedback from the 8.19. So that's what this video is about. I'll try to talk about the performance and battery and what are the other things you should know before you update to the latest version. So let's start with the first thing regarding the battery life. So regarding the battery life, still I need to do a little bit kind of testing, but initial impressions were kind of okay, I would say. Definitely friends, I did not see any kind of huge battery draining in my unit. So before update, I used to get kind of screen on time kind of close to maybe 6.5 hours screen on time, but even after the update also I'm getting similar kind of screen on time, nothing much huge difference. Even the overnight battery draining test I did do, I think it did drain about close to 5% of the overnight draining test. But under that video, I did get a lot of comments regarding the Realme X7 Max. You can see these are the comments which I got on the Realme X7 Max saying that the battery is draining slightly more than usual after the update. As you can see friends clearly. So standby time, I mean in the ideal situation the battery is draining a little bit, but I did get the couple of mixed comments as well regarding some users. I did mention the battery is draining up to 10% in their phone regarding the overnight draining test. I mean ideal situation as well. So regarding the battery topic, I cannot guarantee 100% that there is no battery drain in the latest update. Even I cannot say 100% that it's good, but it also depends upon the type of user. So what type of usage yours are, that's what the main important. Are you more gaming, or more more normal type of usage or medium type of usage? It all depends upon you, what type of applications you install, how many applications you install, how is the usage, that's it. But in my experience, I did not see any kind of major draining. I did not observe during this time of testing for the, I think, close to 1 day of usage. So definitely I'll try to come back with another draining test as well, maybe close to after using 3 to 4 days of time. Then we can actually discuss more details. So next thing is regarding the performance segment. In terms of the performance, did I see any kind of lag? I did not see any kind of major drawback in the performance segment after the update. So everything is quite similar to before as well. Nothing much major problems regarding the update. So apart from the performance, let me not show you a couple of another benchmark score which I got. So it's kind of completely similar. So I did not get any kind of major difference in the benchmarks or in the CPU totaling. Everything is completely kind of similar only. And only one thing is that regarding the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. The main reason is because after the update, we'll be able to play at 90 FPS, but this is not happening in all the units at same time. I'm not sure why this much of inconsistency among the Realme X7 Max users. I never seen this kind of problem happening before. Like if one model gets the 90 FPS, all the users will be able to play at 90 FPS. That used to be the thing before. But right now with the Realme X7 Max, it's not like that. Some users, they can play at 90 FPS, some users, they cannot play at 90 FPS. And I'm not sure why it's happening this much of inconsistency. I have no clue at all. Some users, they need to clear the cache data. Some users, they did reinstall the game, uninstall and reinstall the game. Again, we need to wait for some hours, maybe close to 8 to 10 hours of time to get the 90 FPS working. It's totally kind of confusing for a lot of other users, but I'm not sure why it's happening. But in my unit, I was able to get the 90 FPS. Consistently, it's maintaining. Even if I don't touch the screen, still the 90 FPS is maintaining. You can clearly see here, there's no problem for me. But some users, they're actually facing the issues. Only for those users I'm trying to mention. So you just need to wait and give it some time, friends. I'm not sure even why this problem is happening in this Realme X7 Max. No idea about that. But playing at 90 FPS will definitely increase the temperature. The battery will drain a lot, very, very fast. I'll try to do another video. Stay tuned for those videos. Maybe 1 hour of gameplay I can do that, playing in the 90 FPS. So stay tuned for that. Definitely I'll try to do as soon as possible. So battery will definitely drain in the Realme X7 Max. Playing at 90 FPS, again, you should not complain regarding the heating, because 90 FPS will definitely heat and will drain the battery faster as well. Those are the things. And regarding the camera, I did not see any kind of improvement in the camera segment as well, not a major improvement in the camera. And regarding the connectivity also, don't have any kind of problems with the connectivity. Nothing got improved because from the beginning, I don't have any issues with the Realme X7 Max connectivity, not at all once at all. So no complaints from me regarding the Wi-Fi or regarding the 4G connection, no issues regarding the connectivity at all. So friends, the performance is kind of okay, and everything is fine except the battery life. It depends upon the user type. So for me, I did not notice any kind of major battery draining. So let me know in the comment section below which problems are you facing after updating the latest version, battery or performance. So for me, I can say it's kind of good to go with this kind of latest update, but you just need to take care of two things. One is regarding the Paragon's mobile game 90 FPS. Next is regarding the battery draining. So if you're coming from 8.17, so you can actually play at 90 FPS without any kind of issues, I think previous versions. So if you upgrade to 8.19, I cannot guarantee that you can play at 90 FPS because it's really inconsistent. You can check out my videos because you'll definitely understand after seeing all the comments why it's like that. I did post yesterday a video saying that what are the 5 methods to get the 90 FPS working. You can see the comments. There are so many comments of why they cannot play, and some people they did wait for about close to 4 hours. It took 4 hours of time after the update. As you can see, it was not working. I restarted the phone 2 times. Now it's working. So you need to restart the phone. So many users are actually facing this kind of issue. So you may face this kind of problem if latest version, which is 8.19. So keep remind about that as well. So 90 FPS may not work. It will work, but it takes some time. Next is regarding the battery. As I said, for me, I did not face any kind of issues regarding the battery draining. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.